On today's video, we will be looking at how to remove and install your bike's wheels. To remove the wheel, start by shifting into the smallest cog on the cassette. You would normally shift to the small ring in the front, not the big ring, so it reduces the pull on the derailleur before you go to remove the wheel. Then, take your 6mm Allen wrench to the non-drive side of the wheel to remove the rear axle. Lastly, roll the rear derailleur towards you, pulling it down from the rotor. This will allow the wheel and tire to drop out. In many cases, you would want to turn off the clutch on the rear derailleur before removing the wheel. It makes it easier to do so. To reinstall your wheel that you have just taken off, or to simply install brand new ones, proceed by placing the chain around your small sprocket of the rear cassette by laying it on top. Guide your wheel by making sure that the rotor goes into the brake caliper. And finally, put the rear axle back in. Now you want to make sure to tighten the axle until snug and then a quarter turn more. There should be a light imprint on your hand or finger, and there you go. You have successfully installed your wheel.